back side. This is a charging case. Hello guys, in another interesting video of unboxing the DJI Mic Mini. We just got this package now, and then we are about to unbox it, and let's see what do we have inside. Just to give you an overview of the box, so we should have usually the bag, the cable, charging, and then windscreen. I mean the fluffy stuff for the mic, and I believe there is a clip as well. Let's get started and let's see what we have. Yes. So this is what we have out of the box, and let's see again what's inside. So guys, this is what we have out of the box. We have of course the DJI mic, the mini mic with a clip back on the back side. This is a charging case. Then we have a cable, C-type cable. We do have like the cover for the mic, and then the pouch itself. So we're gonna set up it in the S23 Ultra, and then let's see how does it work. But looks nice.